Hello, this is Music Ministry by Pam. Who controls time? God or the world we live in? That's going to be our question for today. We are continuing with our comprehensive view of the book of Jubilees. And we're going to be not going into great detail about each chapter, but the overview will help us to become acquainted at a beginning level of what is included in the book of Jubilees. The reason why Jubilees was selected is because it's one of the most powerful books in the Ethiopian Bible.